Hi friends, today is my birthday and I wanted to share a story from Accenture. The reason I wanted to share it because it's very special for me and I wanted to share few things that I learned from senior leaders within Accenture. And these people collectively, I think they manage 20 or 30% of Accenture around the world. And I was fortunate to work with senior leaders. This group of people, who I call the Italian group of people, are very close to me. Number one, my friend Alex, my mentor, my boss, my coach. Alex, you allowed me to travel 30 plus countries, multiple clients, AB InBev, Nestle, name it. I was there around whenever we wanted to travel. But what I remember most about you, Alex, is when you bought me that iPad because you said randomly that I travel so much, I don't have time for myself, and you just bought it one day, said, Mac, this is my gift to you. And then secondly, when I was traveling in Miami, you just told me, Mac, take a break, have some fun time, don't just travel from office to the airport. I still remember that, I still value that. I thought one key lesson that I learned from you, Alex, was how to look after your own team. For that, I thank you very much. Next one, Marcello. Marcello, you believed in the account that we tried to pursue. You know how big that account has become, and the digital journey started with me and you believing in nurturing this account. And I was so amazed by your way of working across the regions, across the geography. I was simply blown away. I thought I knew a lot, but working with you, I learned so many different things. Your charisma not to just work within the Accenture group, but also with the client in different regions completely blew me away. And for that, I'm thankful to you. Then Fabio. Fabio, we did work very much together on a day-to-day basis, but you challenged us. You challenged me saying, what is digital for consumer goods and services? And when you saw the work that I was doing with our digital colleagues, you got it. You were like so supportive of creating a new offering, and I was completely blown away by that. You wanted to challenge your team, you wanted to prove that we can do something more. And for me, that aspect of you coming up and saying, okay, this is what we will take to the market was simply brilliant for me. Simone, regulated client. I never worked with regulated client in the way that I work with you. I could see the energy that you wanted to bring and do what is right for client. I was simply, I just loved working with you, meeting you, having lunch, dinner with you. But also one statement that you always make me remember, that if you want to grow within an organization, you have to grow with the people around you. And that I feel was something that is still stuck with me. Angelo, being such a senior leader, you still had time to talk about little issues. You still wanted to do what is right for the client, and I was simply, I just love talking to you. Very modest. When you used to walk in the room, I used to feel something different is happening. You had this nice walk. You had this nice charisma. You talked so openly. You wanted to hear what is happening in the client with me. I loved the support that you gave me when I really required it. And finally, Gianfranco, the guy who looks after APAC, becomes so senior. And I remember the first time I met you was during the airlines workshop, Singapore Airlines. And the idea came from the work that I did with the CPG company. And I think you were quite happy when you saw the response from the CEO and the team, and I felt very proud that you came and you said, guys, well done. And we kept in touch. But I was blown away that such a senior leader is so modest and down to earth. And this was my one main group of people that I work actively. And these are the Italian gang that I call. I'm sure I missed many more from the Italian world. But there are more people I will talk about later. I wanted to keep this video short, and I wanted to say thank you for giving me the most amazing days in my digital life while I was with Accenture. Bye-bye.